Hey guys, welcome back to another Inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless and how basically they have a new promotional price. Of course, this ends July 5th. It says get Visible for $25 a month until July 5th. So guys, as you guys can see, I've used Visible for the last probably 3 or 4 months. And I'm going to say it is pretty good. The only thing that I would say is usually their speeds, even though it says, you get priority data, you're pretty low on that priority. So that's the only thing I would say with them. But overall, it's good coverage. You do get Verizon's coverage. And like I said, just if you go to an area that's very congested, speeds may be pretty slow sometimes, but I average decent speeds and it's great. So let's go ahead into this. Of course, they are copying. Although the carriers, guys, it seems to be, like I said, with competition, it makes it even better. $25 a month for unlimited talk, text, and data. Of course, Visible Wireless does have 2 plans of unlimited data. We'll get to it. But like I said, they're mainly copying, Boost and other carriers, Boost Infinite, Project Genesis. And like I said, this is Boost Mobile Prepaid. Right now they have half off for new customers for $12.50 or $25 a month. After that, it's all unlimited data. So, like I said, this channel very revolves around unlimited data, but and Boost and prepaid carriers. But it says unlimited talk, text, and data. So for $25 a month on Boost, like I said, I'm just comparing them real quick. Unlimited talk, text, and data. You do get unlimited mobile data. A big thing between Boost and Visible is you do get unlimited data on Visible Wireless, at least higher than 30 gigs. Boost only gives you 30 gigs. After 30 gigs, it does speed. Your speeds do go slower. And it's for new customers and existing customers, and auto pay is required. No hotspot on this one from the looks of it. Now, of course, on Visible Wireless, like I said, for $25 a month, you get the same thing. Says get unlimited data, talk, text, and hotspot for as little as $25 a month. So that is better. You do get unlimited hotspot. It does use your mobile data, but personally, I don't use mobile hotspot. I really never have. But like I said, it's nice to have it for $25 a month. So pretty cool. Let's get into it. Another thing they do have is a $200 gift card when you switch to Visible Wireless. But here's the 2 unlimited plans. This is the one I had, is the Visible Plus, and of course now this is the Visible $25 a month. Regular is $30 a month. That's a $5 savings, guys. So let's get into details and more of it. So it says limited data, talk, text, and hotspot, same payment every month. Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE coverage. So like I said, I remember when Visible Wireless first came out, they weren't really advertising the Verizon, and all of a sudden they started advertising, hey, we're using Verizon because Visible is under Verizon. Of course, it's prepaid, so no annual contract. We're going to get to the plans here. Here we go. So here are the plans, and you'll see everything you do get for that price. So we're talking about the Visible, just the regular plan. Like I said, they do have a premium data plan, which is Visible Plus, but they're advertising for $25 a month. You do just get the basic, and of course, with the basic, you don't get all the good perks that you would with the Plus version that we'll talk about. So it says talk and text, or taxes and fees are included with that $25 a month. So that's pretty cheap, guys. $25 a month, very doable for a cell phone. So it says limited talk, text, and data, 5G nationwide, and 4G LTE. So there's more stuff here. So it says never worry about overages or hidden fees with all the minutes, messages, and megabytes you need, including unlimited talk and text from the US to Puerto Rico, the US Virgin Islands, Guam, and Saipan. When the 5G nationwide or 4G LTE network is experiencing heavy traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed, which is almost all the time. If you guys don't know, Verizon is the biggest carrier here in the United States, if you're not from the United States. So there's a lot of customers, over, 100 million customers, probably 150 million customers. I'm not too sure about that, but basically it's a lot of customers, guys. I would say, 7 out of 10 people you ask probably have Verizon or something like that. It's a lot. Verizon's the biggest carrier there is. So yeah, there's a lot of congestion, especially if you're in a big city. Now, if you're rural area and there's not many people near you, then your speeds are always going to be basically fast. But when you do go to an area that's heavily congested, you will experience slower speeds. 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. Visible is powered by Verizon, so that means access to Verizon's award-winning 5G nationwide and 4G LTE networks, which is true. 5G nationwide available in 2,700 cities. 5G nationwide requires a 5G compatible device. So you do get a limited hotspot. There are some caveats with that. It says your smartphone becomes a Wi-Fi connection for devices like tablets, laptop, and more. Visible includes mobile hotspot with unlimited data at speeds of up to 5 megabits per second, limited to one device. When the network is experiencing heavy traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed. So same thing, you do get unlimited hotspot, but the speeds are limited to 5 megabits per second, guys. So of course you're not going to get the fastest speeds, but that should be plenty for all the things you should be doing. You do get some extras. You do get spam protection, unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. So now, if you do decide to pay $20 more, you can get the Visible Plus, which they did have a discount on this, but it went back up. This one is the plan I have, or had, should I say. You get a lot more things. Unlimited talk, text, and data, 5G nationwide, and 4G LTE, 5G ultra wideband. So you do not get the ultra wideband with the regular Visible, but to tell you the truth, it's not really worth it for the ultra wideband. I don't. Well, in my city now, I have maybe 2 areas that have the ultra wideband, and it's really fast. I get 4 to 500, maybe 3 to 4 to 500 megabits per second down. But like I said, it's very limited. Maybe 2-3 areas here in my city. You do get the premium network experience, which is a plus. But let's go take a look at it. So here it is. It says get 50 gigs. Wow. So you get 50 gigabytes of premium data every month on 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. After 50 gigabytes, when the network is experiencing heavy traffic, your smartphone and hotspot data may be temporarily slowed. It says 5G ultra wideband data is always unlimited premium data. So basically, if your phone, which 99% of the time is going to be on either 5G or 4G LTE, you will get 50 gigs of premium data, which means, it doesn't matter how many people there are, your speed should be always fast. Which, like I said, after using them a couple months, guys, I'll tell you the truth, I don't think that's really premium data. I've had 5G on my phone. I go into one place in my town, or my city, should I say, and speeds are terrible. They're just so slow. Even on 5G, I don't understand. Sometimes it doesn't even connect. And I should have premium data. I never go over 20 gigs of data. So 5G ultra wideband, like I said, yeah, it's cool that Verizon offers it. If you live in a town that you do have, or you live near ultra wideband connection, which my mother-in-law does and my mom does, I don't, then it'll be worth it for the ultra wideband. But like I said, in most areas, let's say you're driving through the city and it picks up once you turn a corner, that's it. No more premium data. That's basically over with, So not a big factor for me to say, hey, go ahead and get it for that. But 50 gigs of premium data is definitely a must, guys. This plan right here, especially if you live in a busy city, you will get slowed quite a bit. And like I said, it's almost useless sometimes. Now you do get some extras here. Let's say you can save $10 a month on Verizon home internet if you do get the home internet, spam protection, unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada, unlimited talk and text and data, roaming in Mexico and Canada, and international calling from the US to 30 plus countries, international texting from US to 200 countries, which is nice. So pretty cool. Overall, I think this is a good deal, guys. So if you thinking about getting it for 25 bucks a month, you can't beat it. But if you want to pay 20, which still for 45 bucks a month, guys, is still a steal. I think Visible Plus is the way to go. If you're on a budget, go with just a regular Visible, which you're saving $5 a month, which is great. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way, and let me know what you think. Have you tried Visible or have you tried Boost? Like I said, I tried both. I switch between them. I'm on Boost, AT&T, and so far so good. So can't complain. So if you want to support the channel, check out the description below. Would help a lot, so I can bring more videos and more content your way. So check it out. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, more videos your way. Thank you.